From the Geborbosep and surrounds Brandberg quartz. This would hail from the Brandberg proper, so this would be nature conservation area now. This would be older material one wouldn't see again. Bit of a Fenster quartz formation on the top face, to show you that, and a lovely amethyst phantom right in the core of the specimen. Mild coating of iron oxides on the outside, could be removed. I've actually left it on. This yellowish gives it a lot of extra character. Two little crystals joined together was quite challenging to photograph, also quite difficult to video. From the Brandberg proper in Namibia, and there's a coating, maybe a little bit of highlight opal sitting across the top. Now the Brandberg proper, of course, is now nature conservation area, so one cannot collect specimens there anymore. But this is from back in the day, maybe late last century. Crystallization, there is a partial crystallization on the bottom of the specimen. Let's have a look. I don't think it's a floater, or maybe, let's have a look across there. It does actually look like this may very well be a little floater. From the Brandberg proper Namibia, quartz.